Hello and welcome. Today is Friday. It is the 7th day of March 2014. Let's do a silver chart update, one time frame, the daily chart. There will be no videos on Saturday or Sunday, so let's get this done today. And this is day number 8 within this 18 average band, as I've stated on here, for market reversal, directional changes. One of the things that I'm looking for in this case, you have a downtrend that went sideways. You finally broke resistance in here. What I want to see is resistance established. Step A, check. Come back to the 18 average band and stabilize. Check. And then make a move up to the previous resistance. That's step 3. That hasn't even started yet, if it even happens. And then step 4, of course, is breaking above it and then starting the pattern of higher highs, higher lows, confirmed bull market. So we've done 2 steps out of 4. Some key notes to understand. Number 1, oftentimes if a big up move is going to occur, don't be surprised if a key level of support gets broken beforehand. Oftentimes, failed moves create fast moves. That's very common within market psychology. But when you're looking at these charts, oftentimes, it's just one of those guessing games that can give you headaches because you see something. Oh, there's a failed move there. Nope. Failed move, failed move, failed move. There's a fast move. Meaning, oh, it looks like this is a failure. Oh, looks like this is a failure. And then, obviously, it can get very difficult at times. However, with that being said, for the confirmed bull market, again, what we need to see is a move up here and yada, yada, yada. I've already talked about that. On the downside, the next key support level is in this 20-ish area. I'm going to adjust the Fibonacci retracement lines from point A to point B. We'll do that right now, and there we have it. So Fibonacci level of 2093 has been touched today. Technically speaking, from point A to point B, for this move to be a failure, I need to see it hold and stay below this for a significant amount of time. That level is 2020, therefore, I'll even round it down to 20. If this thing is below 20 for a good couple of hours, 3 hours, then I'd be liking the possible odds of this to be the failure, fast move to come down the downside. The lowest level is 1821, and again, prices would be much, much lower. So it's very difficult at this point to say, okay, I know for sure it's going lower. Oh, I know for sure it's going higher. But as you adjust to the message of the market, you can start to see, okay, it's going higher. There's that possible failed move. I kind of like the odds this thing might go pretty well. And if this thing keeps going lower, then I'm going to be liking the odds of a test in the lower 18 mark. Because it does seem, at least for the last 2.5 years, that every single time that it has a break above it, it never, ever does well in this correctionary phrase. So now you might be saying, well, if I'm betting on this to go long or high, I'm betting on a streak that's got a record of like 1 win and 6 losses over the last 2.5 years. Yeah, that might be the record or something in that area, but it will be a losing play for you to buy in here every single time until it becomes a winning play. May sound complicated or simple, but really that's kind of how it is. Again, it did break below key support. So this tells me either one of 2 things is occurring. This is the failed breakdown that's going to surge the uptrend, or yet again, another failed breakout, getting your hopes up by consolidating within the band. And today is the day of saying, F you, we are going much, much, much lower. That is it for today. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great weekend. Bye-bye.